Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I have written a Python program to illustrate the use of a string as an argument and parameters in a user-defined function. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video link with your friends and family members, share the video link in various social networks which you are going to use, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning! String as parameters. That means even we may pass the string values as an argument also. That means at the time of calling a function, we can pass an variable which consists of a string value, and those can be used in the function body, and we can do the manipulation of that string. So here I will be writing a program to illustrate string as parameters. First I will open the Python interpreter. So this is Python interpreter. I will create a new file by using a shortcut key Ctrl+N, and here I will be writing a program hash the comment, that is the program name, Python program to illustrate, Python program to illustrate string as a argument, Python program to illustrate string as a argument. So first I will write the definition of the function which will be accepting a string. So first def, that is define space function name. I will write the function name as full name. Upon the bracket I will be passing two strings. I will write that one as first comma second, close the bracket, colon, then press enter. Now we are inside the body of the function. You can observe the indentation space. So here I will concatenate the first string as well as the second string. So I will use the word as concat, concat equal to first plus space within double quotes I will leave one space, again space plus second, that is the first and the second string will be concatenated by using an space and along with the plus symbol. That means in between the first string and the second string we add a space, and those will be combined by using an plus operator. Then afterwards we'll print that concatenated string, print within a bracket within a double quotes the joined string is double quotes close comma, so that is concat, that is the concatenated string, close the bracket, press enter. Now we are still inside the body of the function. Press the backspace, press enter. Okay, then we accept the first string as well as the second string and call the function full name. So that is, so I will write f equal to input open bracket within a double quotes enter the first string space double quotes close bracket close, press enter. Then s equal to input open the bracket within a double quotes enter the second string space double quotes close bracket close. So the first string whatever you are going to enter, that will be stored in s, that is it is assigned to an variable f, and second string is assigned to an variable s. Then after that we'll call a function. The function name is full name open the bracket f comma s. So this f comma s are the parameters which you are going to pass, right? Then after that If you want, you can write here the comment. So here you can write hash the function definition, and here hash reading the two strings and calling the function. This is just for the explanation of what you are doing in those steps. So I'll save the program, file, click on save. So I'll save the name as full, press enter. To run the program, the shortcut key is F5. Enter the first string. So I'll write good. Enter the second string. I will write morning. Press enter. So the joined string is good morning. You can observe the output here, good space morning. If you want another output, just close this one and run again by using a shortcut key F5. So enter the first string, I will write as Sachin. Enter the second string, I will write as Tendulkar. Now what will the concatenated string? It will be Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, so how you got this particular output? So first it is displaying what? Enter the first string. That means this particular statement is executed first. Enter the first string. We have entered the value as Sachin, that is assigned to F. The next it is displaying enter the second string. So this one, you are given the value as Tendulkar, that is assigned to S. Then we have written full name F comma S. It means F and S values are passed by calling a function full name. So here it will be full name, and here first means F and second means S. That means what? The F value has been assigned to first, and second value will be taking the value of S. Right. So this is what the arguments which you are going to pass. Right. So this is the argument, and these are the parameters which you are supplying. Okay, then afterwards concat first in the sense F values, where F value is Sachin, plus within a single quotes, within double quotes you have written one single space. So one single space is added, that is this one, Sachin. After that one single space, second in the sense Tendulkar, so that value is added, Tendulkar. So now this concat CONCAT word will be having, the content will be this one, Sachin space Tendulkar. So that we are displaying here by using a print statement. The joined string is concat. So this is, so here F and S are the arguments which you are passing, and first and second are the parameters. So which we write at the definition, that is a function definition header, those are the parameters, and which we will be passing at the time of calling a function, those are the arguments. So this is an program to illustrate string as an argument. That means you are passing here F comma S, those are the argument which is of type string, and here first and second, those are of type string. Right, here it is called as an parameters. So this is an program to illustrate a string as an argument. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members. Share the video link in various social networks which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.